Maar hij is hij. I thought I have the trailer here so Raisi can look at it, sniff it, walk on it. What are you doing? Goed zo. Braaf, ja. Kom. Braaf. Goed zo. Braaf. Goed zo. Braaf, ja. Goed zo. I just want him to get used to it. Goed zo. Just look, it's not scary at all. Goed zo. Goed zo. Daisy. Joehoe. Daisy. Hallo? Hey. Braaf. Goed zo. Braaf, jongen. Goed zo, kom maar. Goed zo. Braaf, jongen. That's not braaf. Goed zo. Goed zo. Braaf. Braaf hoor. Nou, goed zo. Hey. At least he tries. And I don't push him to do it. Goed zo. Braaf. Goed zo. Ja, wat goed. Goed zo. Hey, braaf. Nou, goed vandaag. Braaf. Goed zo. Braaf. Hey, goed zo, jongen. Kom maar. Braaf. Hey, goed zo. Kom maar. Ja, braaf. Nou, goed zo. Braaf. Nog een hapje? Goed zo. Braaf, jongen. Nou, goed zo. Okay, I didn't thought He would do it. Hey, I didn't thought it. Come on. Nou, kom. Braaf, hè. Goed zo, jongen. Kom maar. Nou, goed zo. Braaf. Hey, goed zo, Reisje. Braaf. Goed zo. Super. Braaf. Goed zo, jongen. Kom maar. Braaf. I tried to this. Now it's bigger. So, maybe. Good so. Oh. Braaf. Right. Goed zo, jongen. Nou, goed zo. Doe maar terug. Terug. Jeetje. Goed zo. I really surprised. Hey, goed zo. Yes. You do a great job. Kom. Braaf. Nou. Goed zo. Kom. Kom maar. Goed zo. Braaf. Hey. Zo. Hey, was het goed, ja? Kom. Nog een keer. Kom maar, Reisje, kom. Kom maar. Braaf, goed zo. Kom maar. Goed zo. Kom maar. Braaf. Kom maar. Yeah. You have to come further. Goed zo. Braaf. Nee, kom. Nog een stukje. Nee. Kom. Kom maar. Goed zo. Kom maar. Kom maar. Reisje, kom. Hey, Mr. Reisje. Kom maar. Kom maar. Braaf. Hey, kom maar. Goed zo, braaf. Goed zo. Nou, kom maar. Hey, goed zo. Braaf, Jet. Hey, goed zo. Super. No, please. Kom. Ja, goed zo. Braaf. Kom maar. Kom maar. Reisie, kom. Oh, he really wants the pellets. Kom maar. Goed zo. Kom. Kom maar. Goed zo. Hey. Oh, awesome. Hey, goed zo. Okay, bye. Uh-oh. Well, I really think it's great. I didn't thought it would be so easy. But actually I wanted to do this with Silke and Vera. We talked about it. Good so I see. But they aren't here and the trailer was here. So I thought I'd just try. Just to he can get used to it. And I think this is great. Really. Hey, nog een hapje? I have. Oh, the last pellets in my pocket. Oh. Yes. I see. Woo. Leuk. Hey. Look. This is really the last. Come on. Good so. And next time we go further. Come on. Terug. Well, perfect. Hey, what's up? Hey, and I think he really likes to do this. He likes doing it because he likes to do something with people and just to be nice. But now he wants pellets. Okay. Oh, Yveske. And I give some pellets to Rijntje, because Rijntje was very sweet. Oh, braaf. Yveske, Belle, Blomke en Rijssie. Goed zo. Oh, braaf. Hey, Belle. Hey, Belle. Daisy. Okay, I'm going to check in his stall if his water is okay, because he's drinking a lot. Yveske, hey, hello? Yveske is a bit brutal. Okay, Yveske is also drinking a lot. That was Sally. Kom. Rijntje, Boukje en Sally. Well, it's dry for now, but I don't think for much longer. Time to go in, but they are chasing around, and you can see on the horses the weather is changing. Kom maar, Reisje. Kom maar, hop, hop, hop. Okay. Dat is Blomke. En Belle. En Yveske. En Reisje. Kom maar, braaf. Het is er. Hey, goed zo. Don't know what's going to happen. Okay.